Welcome to Siquijor province, which is known as the mysterious island that offers exciting, adventurous, and unforgettable memories while enjoying their best delicacies, which are known not just in the island, but has been visited by the famous actress Julia Barreto, the Pan Bisaya of Siquijor. Okay, now we are here in municipality of Enrique Villanueva, and we have here with the very known Pan Bisaya in Siquijor, which is made by traditionally made by their using their hands without using any machines, and it is cooked using a stone or a pugon. Siquijor Island is known for its best in making Pan Bisaya. Why is it Pan Bisaya? Pan Bisaya is made by hand without using any machine, cooked in Pugon, a native version of an oven made of stones. The traditional way of cooking bread without adding any preservatives in the process. Ate Lilybeth, the Pan Bisaya baker, who has been in many years making Pan Bisaya, continued to mark the history of Siquijor delicacies. Pan Bisaya was owned by her ancestors and promised to serve the delicacies without changing any ingredients, and despite the innovations, they choose to continue the traditional process of making bread. So that's it. Before we will end this video, don't forget to visit Pan Bisaya in Siquijor, which offers its best in every bite and surely will fulfill your hunger. This is Harleen Arlogrimas, together with Raymark Amado and Jessa Fonoliera, saying that Pan Bisaya, Siquijor Pride Delicacies.